Today on Charlitos Way, we're gonna do a beer butt chicken. That's beer butt chicken. The best way to cook chicken is with beer in its butt. So watch out and watch this video. What we have here is a nice looking chicken. I just took it out of the wrappings. We have some rub. I got it at the local beef palace. We have a can of beer. All you need is basically a sip, so spoils go to me. I have the charcoal being heated up in the chimney. Looks like we're getting pretty close. We got some potatoes, and we're gonna smoke this bird. I like to put wood chips into this can and then put the can directly on the charcoal to get my smoke on. So there you go. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna coat this bird with the rub. We're gonna rub it, you know, that's why they call it a rub. Get it all up there. Might seem like a lot of salt, and it is, so whatever. Boom, 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 boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Get the wing. Yes. Get the leg. Oh yeah, fatty leg. Look at that. And now that we have the bird nicely coated, we just take the can and plop the bird right over like so. It's that easy. And you can put this up like to get more of a I like to do this. See? Bam. It's like, hey y'all. Hey y'all. And then I'm just gonna give it like just a little more loving. And then I like to shove the neck in here. I don't know why. I do like to eat the neck, and I like to eat the heart too because it makes me more manly. And then we're just gonna make sure it's all around because we want this bird to be tasty. The skin is gonna get nice and crispy. Oh yeah. Today's sponsor is iGrill Mini. Now this is a Bluetooth thermometer that goes to my phone. That way I could basically throw the bird on the queue and drink for an hour and 20 minutes, and it'll let me know when it's ready. It doesn't even bother me. It just says coo-coo-doo-coo-doo. So basically I just stick it in the nice fatty part away from the bone, and that's all you gotta do. Since it's kind of a long cook, about an hour or something, I like to, even before all the coals are done, I like to dump it and spread it because we're going to be using indirect heat. So this is going to be hard to do with two hands. I'll see if I can figure it out. So I need two hands to dump this bad boy. Or I guess I don't. Yeah, I do. We have a couple fallen soldiers. Nobody gets left behind in this battalion. Everyone gets to go to work today. And basically, we just split it out, half. Try not to burn your fingers, because I am currently burning my finger pretty good. There you go. This way. Ouch. 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 And ouch. Alright. And now we just throw the bird on right in the middle. Spread its legs a little bit. Look at that. You got the potatoes cooking, got the birds cooking. I got it on the Bluetooth, so in about an hour and 20 minutes, my phone, which I'm currently recording on, will let me know it's ready. Can't really show you because I'm using the phone, but trust me. Anyways, next time I open this, you're gonna see the goodness. This is the base. It's got a magnet on it so I can stick it in any direction. But basically, stick it there, turn it on, and you can do the rest on your phone. So, gotta go. Oh boy, it's time. Look at that. Oh man. With that beer in his butt, so juicy looking. I'm gonna take it off. And I'm gonna let it rest for 10 minutes at least. And then I'm gonna chop it up and I'm gonna eat this bad boy. Oh boy, look at that bird. It's looking perfect. Is that the heart? Now we're talking. Look at that. The most perfect, delicious chicken here on Charlitos way. Might not be the right way, might not be the wrong way. It's Charlitos way.